Do you want to learn how to use Deck.Blue? It's an alternative to TweetDeck. In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So in order to use Deck.Blue, we're going to first open it up on our browser. So this is Deck.Blue. Get to this web page. Now here is going to ask you username and app password. So in order to find these, first one is username. Don't enter the email, just enter the username. This is here, which is your username over here. This is your handle. Just take this and put it over here. Remove the @ which is going to be this. Now the app password, we're going to go over to bsky.app. Now on here, on the left-hand side, click on settings. Now inside it, on the right-hand side, click on privacy and security. Now the second one is app passwords. Click on it. Now you need to add an app password. Just type in something here. It could be anything, any name, it doesn't matter. Pick this and next. Now it's going to give you this app password over here. Copy it and make sure to keep it safe somewhere because you're not going to find this again. Click on done. Now go back to Deck.Blue and paste it here in the app password field like this. Next, click on login. Now you're logged in into the Deck.Blue. And like I said before, this is an alternative to TweetDeck. And you can see here the UI is very similar and you can do all that you did in TweetDeck. It's just for BlueSky. You've got these columns here and you can arrange them by dragging around, and you can also clear them up by clicking on this button. And on the right, we have column settings. So you can also check out the column settings over here. You've got all the column settings. You can also check these refresh every 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, that way. And you can also increase or decrease the column size. So I can click on small and it's going to make the column size small, largest, that way. Let's keep it medium. There's also muted words, so you can select that. You can also remove this whole column if you want to do that. You can also hide or unhide it from here. Show labels, enable notification sound, and more. Now let's go back from here. And I can also like a post from here as well in Deck.Blue, like this. I can also click on the 3 dots and open in BlueSky, show repost, show likes, translate, and hide it. Now there's also this reply. So I can reply a post directly from Deck.Blue as well. Now on the left-hand side, the first button is to create a new post on your BlueSky account, but you can do that from here. So you can just type something over here. It has a 300 character limit, just like on BlueSky. And below it, we have got hashtag. First option is hashtag. So click here and you can add hashtags over here for the post. Like I've done here, the social media hashtag. And next to it, we have this button, which is to insert an image. And next to this, we have GIF. So I can click here and add a GIF like that. And after this, we have this schedule. This is to schedule the post. But this is currently not available. If you want to enable that, you need to become a member of Deck.Blue on Patreon page. And if you become a member, so if I click here and become a member, I'll be taken over to this page where I can apply for the booster pack, which is $1 per month. And then you can start scheduling your post inside there. There's also another tool to do the same thing to schedule your post, which is NoLink. And NoLink has got automations as well. If you go to pricing, you'll find that they've got this plan over here, which is $18 per month. And you can schedule your post on these 7 different platforms. You've got 7 automations and all this. I have a full tutorial on this. I will paste a link in the description so you can check it out. And it will be on the end of this video as well. So you can connect a social channel from here. Like you can see here, BlueSky account. I've connected it. I can just start creating a post from here. I can post a short form video, thread, post, and then they have got link shortener, etc. as well. So let's click on this and remove it. We are on Deck.Blue, so let's just stay there. And next to this, we have this reply type icon. It's for managing who can reply. So it's everybody. You can click on nobody, so nobody can reply on this post that way. Or if you want to combine any of these options, you can do that as well. There's also this, which is add a content warning. So you can add a content warning on this. There's also this, which is to select a language. If you have typed it here in another language, you can select what language it is that way, and then post from here. If you click on the GIF or an image that you have added, you can also add an alt tag on it. Like here, it's already entered. So I'm just going to close this and you can post. Now on the left hand side, I can click on this, which is a search type icon. So I can search inside BlueSky. Like I click on this, Alaska aircraft, and it's going to give us this on the pop-up. You can add a column for this. So you can, like if there's a topic you want to follow, you can do that. Just add a column for this. And it's going to add a column for Alaska aircraft in our Deck.Blue account. And you can follow on with this topic. So on the left hand side, we've got these below this search icon. This is just these columns. So I can switch between them. So if I click on the first one, which is home, so it's going to direct us to this. And if I click on this, it's going to just move from left to right like that. Notifications, likes, media, and Alaska aircraft, the topic we are following. And I can move this around from here as well. And it's going to move on the page as well. Now I can add another by clicking on this. On the left hand side, I can add a new column from here as well. So I can click on chat and add column. And it's going to add the chat column on the page. Now below this, we have got these two people type icon. Let's click on it. And I can add more accounts to my Deck.Blue. So I can add an account by clicking over here. And then to add another account, you just need to do the same thing that we did in the start. You need to enter the username and then the app password of that account and then add it. There's also confirmation step. So adds a confirmation step before posting. You can click on it. So it's going to ask you if you want to post it or not that way. There's also settings. So it's going to give you the settings pop-up. And inside this, you can change the display language, content languages, bookmarks, your bookmark posts on Deck.Blue per account. You can check this over here. So you can add a column of this. So I have made a video before. You can add a bookmark feature on BlueSky, but that requires an extension. Like over here, I have this extension, which is BlueSky bookmarks. But on Deck.Blue, you can add a bookmark, which is integrated inside Deck.Blue itself. So I can click on this post and I will have this feature here, which is a bookmark. So I can click on it and it's going to bookmark it. So if I go over to this on the right, I have this bookmarks column and I've got the post bookmarked. And I can click here again. And if I want to delete the bookmark, I can just click over it again and it's going to remove the bookmark. Now let's go over to settings again. There's shortcuts. So I can click here and these are all the shortcuts of Deck.Blue. So if you do decide to get the Patreon, these plans over here, so just join them and then click on here to connect with your Patreon account. And then you'll be able to use those features which are available inside these plans. There's toggles here. So these are all the toggles which you can do, like disable GIFs, autoplay GIFs. There's display all text by default, show column scroll bar, and all this. You can check over here, lower volume, disable link warning, etc. There's moderation as well. You can do muted words. So this will be the muted words list, subscribed list, disabled posters. There's UI. So you can select column size for all of your columns, font size, theme-based color, etc. Like I can choose the base color. And as I click on these, it's going to change the color of my Deck.Blue UI. You can also switch the theme mode so you can follow system. So if you have the dark mode set on your system, it's going to be dark. You can also set to light. I generally prefer dark mode because it's nice to the eyes. And if I click on this on the bottom left, this is for your profile. It's going to open up this. and you can open in BlueSky, search post, add or remove from list. You also got the analytics of yours. So 4 posts, 2 following, 6 followers. You can check your list, post, home, media from here as well. And that's it. This is how to use Deck.Blue, which is an alternative to TweetDeck. And it's really good. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know with a like and comment.